Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Sage Accounting Review My Usage Experience. Sage Accounting Review My Usage Experience offers a comprehensive review and analysis of Sage accounting software. It aims to help potential users understand the software's features, benefits, and limitations before making a purchase decision. Their website provides details on the various review types available and pricing. Their website provides details on the different review types and pricing models. They highlight the ease of use of their reviews, emphasizing clear and concise summaries of Sage Accounting's functionalities. They also compare it to other accounting software, pointing out its strengths and weaknesses in various areas. The reviews appear to be tailored to different user levels, from beginners to advanced accountants. Availability is readily apparent on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Sage Accounting Review My Usage Experience. I needed to choose new accounting software for my small business and was overwhelmed by the choices. Sage Accounting was a contender, so I turned to Sage Accounting Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. Their website is well designed and easy to navigate. I found the review I needed quickly, one that focused on small business needs, and it was incredibly detailed. The interface was clean and easy to understand, presenting complex information in a digestible format. The review covered key features like invoicing, expense tracking, and financial reporting, with clear explanations and screenshots. I was particularly impressed by their comparison charts that showed Sage Accounting's capabilities alongside competitors like QuickBooks. The review's performance was excellent, it loaded quickly and was easy to read on various devices. I even had a quick question about a specific feature and their support team responded promptly via email. A major pro was the unbiased approach of the review. It highlighted both positive and negative aspects without sugarcoating anything. One minor drawback was the lack of video tutorials within the review itself, although the written explanations were quite thorough. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Sage Accounting Review My Usage Experience. It helped me make an informed decision about whether Sage Accounting was right for my business, and it was. That's my overview of Sage Accounting Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.